How to delete your Alibaba account. Want to delete your Alibaba account? This guide shows you how to do it so you can close your account for good. First, log into Alibaba account and go to Account Management or My Alibaba section. From here you'll see a lot of different options. Look for Delete Account or Close Account option on the settings menu and tap on it, which is right here. Before you can delete your account, you'll need to verify your identity. This is to make sure that no one else can delete your account. You can also use your email, your phone, or a security question to verify your identity. Once you've verified your identity, you'll be taken to a confirmation page. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to delete your account. Make sure you read all the information before you confirm the deletion. Once you're done, your account will be deleted for good. You now know how to delete your Alibaba account. Get ready to close your account for good. Like and subscribe for more business tips.